Hi everyone, it's Miss Ranger again, and we're looking at the business letter today. In particular, we're looking at the letter of request. Alright, why we need a letter of request? Of course, in early childhood institutions, sometimes there are going to be times when we need to ask for donations from our parents and other organizations which we know, help to further along the education process, or organizations who are sponsors of educational institutions. And we can think of many organizations who have that kind of donorship arm where they help out different institutions with various things. Now, in a typical business letter, there are things that we need to make note of. I know you can't see very well, but shortly I will zoom in, but I wanted to make a particular point here. Now, the first thing in your business letter is the sender's address. The sender's address is a person who is sending the letter, and their address must be at the top. So the sender's address goes at the top. And the format we're looking at today, we're looking at the fully blocked format. So of course, everything goes on your left. Everything goes on your left, so if it's not on your left, it's wrong. So in the fully blocked format. And that's the format which you're going to write your examination in as well. So bear that in mind. So the fully blocked format, I have 12 Sundown Lane, Kingston 10. Then you skip a line, and then you have the date. The date must come between the two addresses. We have the date, July 1, 2020. At this point, I would like to now zoom in because this is very, very important. Good. Now notice here, you have the post or the title of the person who is receiving the letter. So the post or title of the person, the name of the company comes next, and then the address of the company. If you know the person you are sending the letter to, you put the name of the person on top of their post or title. So, Mr. Kenneth Jones, Mrs. Grace Jones, etc. would come on top here. But let's say in this case, we don't know the name of the person, then we just simply put their title, to the manager. And of course, this goes for if you are writing a letter to an organization and you don't know the name, not just for the letter of request, but even in your letter of application, you just put to the personnel manager or to the human resources manager. Alright, in case you don't know their name. Now, so the post or the title, the name of the company, and the address of the company. What comes next? Your greeting. If you don't know their name, you can say, "Dear Sirs," and this term we use to encapsulate both male and female these days. If you want, you can put "Dear Sir, Madam," but the new way is to put "Dear Sirs," and this encapsulates both male and female. And at the end here, you're going to put a colon, not a comma, but a colon, because this is what is used in business correspondence these days. Okay? Now, at this point, you can choose to indent from the margin just a little bit, or you can remain at the margin, but you must skip a line. If you remain at the margin, you must skip a line. So, what is going to be on our letter of request? You're requesting for teaching aids, you're requesting for funding, etc. So, at ABC Treasure of Learning, we value our children. So you're going to say something nice about yourself in the first paragraph. We value our children, and we aim to provide the best quality education for them. So of course, you're setting up yourself like you're nice people. Yes. All right, I don't know if you'll be able to see at the top here. It says, it continues, we strive to ensure that our students have the tools and resources they need to prepare them for tomorrow. So again, you're nicing up your thing, right? Right. In the next paragraph now, then you're going to start talking about, you know, why you need the things. So this would not be possible without our donors. Their generous support has truly made a difference in the lives of our students. In the past, your donations has helped us to improve the grade levels of the students who came to us seeking hope and help. So of course you're going to, you know, say what their donations in the past has done before, or if this particular place has not donated before, then you could say what their donation will be able to do, will be able to, you know, help you to do. We would greatly consider if you would contribute. So this is where the asking start now. You're going to start ask them about the things that you need. And then you can put what exactly it is that you want them to contribute here. Then of course, I didn't have any space here, but of course in another paragraph, you could thank them sincerely for the work that they're doing and how you hope to work with them in the future, etc., etc. Be nice, etc. And then at the end here, I want you to pay attention to how this letter is closed off. So we have sincerely, or you can use regards. We use that in contemporary times as well. So you can use sincerely or regards. Now, at the space on the sincerely, you can either draw a line or leave it, you know, empty. But underneath that, you should type out the name. So the typed out name should come here. So if it's Mrs. Karen Doe. Good? So that should be typed out under there. Mrs. Karen Doe is the one who is sending the letter, and she would affix her signature on the line above. And that is how we do our business letters. Again, any questions? Anything that you want to ask me, again, shoot me an email, krangerenglish@gmail.com, or you can comment in the Google comment section under this picture, under this video, excuse me, or posting, or you can shoot me an email. Of course, there is a group chat. You can, I'm not going to post the video to the group chat, of course. And so I'll send you the video either to your emails or to be posted on the Google platform. But you can ask me a question on WhatsApp via the number that you have for me, or make a comment and I will respond. Thanks again, and see you next time.